How y'all doing? This is Preacher Man R&B, and this is Sons of Anarchy Reviews Wednesdays. This week is Season 1, Episode 10, and what happens on this week's episode, the ATF come back. The reason the ATF come back is because they get some more information on Sam Crow, and they're trying to do the RICO case. That way they could get past, present crimes against them. That way they can get rid of Sons of Anarchy and put them away in prison. And the reason they're doing this is because the deputy that's been after Sons of Anarchy has done got some more information on them and brings the ATF back. So Sons of Anarchy have a meeting, and they have to get the Irishman out of the United States, so they vote to have Happy take him to Canada. That way they can get him back to Ireland. So they plan this out to be able to do this, and they're while they're trying to get this set up, ATF finds out about the man that killed the Irishman on the load docks getting murdered. And there was a witness to this murder, because the woman that this guy was with saw Bobby and Opie do this. And she gets a positive ID on Bobby and not so positive on Opie. So in the next couple of episodes, they're going to try to get Bobby, and we'll see what happens with that. And that's their present day crime. Now their past crime they're trying to get, they arrest Otto's wife on drug charges to get to Otto to rat on the Sons of Anarchy. And he's being cooperative, and he's going to give them the information they need. He just needs to see Luann, and Luann needs to be let out. So Jackson then goes to make up this fight at this bar and go to the precinct and tell Luann that she has to tell Otto what's going on, and she has to tell him that it's the RICO case and he can't say nothing. So she agrees to do that, and they get Cherry out, because Cherry's going to wind up ratting on the club if she stays any further, because Nevada's trying to get her back because she's wanted for arson and grand theft auto, because she stole her ex-husband's stuff and left with their stuff and burned down their condo. So she's wanted for that, and she knows she's going to rat if she stays. So they take Cherry out, and they take Cherry and the Irishman to Canada. That way they can get them get them to the border. That way they take them to Ireland, and that's what happens with that. Now Otto talks to the ATF lady, and he writes down what past crime that he was involved with in. And she gets him to see Luann, and Luann tells him that he can't give away nothing because it's a RICO case. And he said he'll handle it, and when she comes back, he has to sign his paper, and then he acts like he can't read what he wrote. So he asks the ATF woman to come and look at it, and then he bashes her head into the table, and he doesn't say anything. So that saves Sons of Anarchy on that front. And now the ATF woman is bent on getting the Sons of Anarchy destroyed. That's really all that happened on this week's episode. My question for y'all is, what do y'all think is going to happen now that the ATF know that Bobby Huntzer is the one that killed this guy? As always, Preacher Man R&B signing out, guys. Fuji. Awesome. So,